Alright guys, we got a 2010 Infiniti right here, EX35. There's a problem on this. It won't open. The other side is fine. This one is fine. Driver door, it's not opening. So customer has been going in around the passenger side, or you can do this with your remote, reaching over here, opening it from the inside. It works fine, but coming in from the outside, it won't open. So today we're gonna fix this Infiniti EX35. Let's go. So this EX35 2010 is exact same thing as a 08 up to like 2020. Same thing as FX, QX, 80, 70, all that stuff. They're all the same. As long as you have this style of door handle right here, and then 08 and up. So let's get started. So I got the parts already straight from the dealer. This is the inside door handle. We're gonna change that. This is the outside handle. This is a two-piece handle. You can buy the inner bracket and the outer bracket separate. You can't buy them all together. So that's why I bought all this. Maybe like 3 months ago, she was here before. I fixed the latch and I noticed that later on we're gonna need to fix the handle. So this is it. So she's back. We're gonna be working on the inner outer handle replacement. We're not gonna touch the latch. We're gonna take this whole thing out, door panel, and we're gonna go inside this thing. We're gonna take out the window regulator. So let's get started. All right guys, so first we're just gonna have to open up this cover right here, and there's another cover right there. We just use a pick tool and just gonna pry it off. This is out already. I took it out to make it easy for me to capture it on the video. Same thing with this one right here. That one is out. And this is a 10 mil, and this is a screwdriver right there. Alright, just gonna grab your plastic trim tools. We're gonna pry this whole door panel out. Okay, so start from the bottom, and then this side as well. Then we're gonna push this whole thing up like this by smacking it on the bottom of the panel. So that's out. We're gonna take out all this cable, wire attached to the door panel. So there's 3 right here. Let's quickly take those out. Actually, there's 4 total. 1, 2, 3, and then 4 right there. Alright, there's one more connector right there where the lights shine. Don't forget to take that out, or else you're gonna damage it out. And then the last piece is just cable right here. Gonna quickly take this thing out. Alright, there you go. Just gonna put this on the side, and then you're gonna start working right there. Before you take out this panel right here, we're gonna be taking out the window regulator as well. Make sure put a duct tape on your glass all the way up. Put a duct tape, because this thing is gonna fall if you take this thing out. So all around here is a 10 mil. This will take out the cover, and then this 2 up there and 2 down here, those are the one that holds the window regulator. Okay, so we need to take those out, but first we'll take out the outside one. All right, there's 2 bolts right here and up there as well. All right, so this panel is out. The window regulator on the bottom is loose. We're just gonna detach the upper side of this window regulator right here. There's a bolt right there, and then on the other side as well. So you don't have to adjust anything. The window is all up, taped up. It's not gonna fall. So we're just gonna use a 10 mil combination wrench here, or you can use like a socket on this side. Just loosen it up. Same thing on this side. You can't use a socket. You're gonna have to have a combination wrench on this one right here. Just loosen it up. All right, so this side is almost out. The other side is loose already. It's out. So there we go. Window regulator is almost out. So all together with this cover right there, there's nothing that you need to take out on the bottom of the window regulator. There's no bolts or anything down here. It's mostly on the top right there for the glass to hook into. Right here, this is the one where that bolts. So you can see our window glass is just floating up on the air. Hold with this tape. Make sure you get a good tape, okay? We don't want that glass to crash down the bottom of this door. And you can see everything is all exposed, easy to work on. We'll be taking out this outside handle right here with this bracket out. All right guys, I'm gonna give you a little bit of an overview of how this latch work and this handle work. So first, the inner cable from the latch, this will go to your lock, inside lock, and this is gonna be your outside door handle to open the door. There's another cable right here. This is the cable from the latch going to your outside handle. This is where that problem is. So we quickly take a look. Where is that problem? You can see that ball right there. Let's see if we could push that handle out, and let's see what it does. Okay, I got my other hands on the outside handle. Okay. All right. You see that ball moving right there? It moves, but it's not latching the cable. All right, let's take out this door handle out. All right guys, so taking out this outside door handle, just need a trim tool right here, the flat one. We're just gonna jam this thing right in between these two pieces here. We're gonna push this thing, little piece out, going towards me, lift it up, and then peel it out, and then push it inside, back that way, and then this will come out. So it just holds this tabs right here. You can see this one is, it just holds with this two tabs right here. So you can see this one is broken already. That's why we got a new one already that we're gonna replace this old one. All right, so next, this is the big piece handle right here that we're gonna take out. We need to take out this lock cylinder out first before we peel out this door handle. So there's a plastic cover right here. I took that out already, and there's a bolt in there, and there's a bolt right there. I use a T27 on that one, Torx T27. That's loose. All right, so when you get that bolt loose, it's kind of pushed right in there still. So we're just gonna use the pick tool, the angle one. We're just gonna pull that bolt out towards you, just like that. So basically that bolt is like this. It sits in like this. It's not gonna come out. Gonna push it out like that with this pick tool. Okay, so that's what I did. So that the whole thing or cylinder right here will come out. Okay, so the bolt is out. This thing will come out easy like this. And on the other side, there's a plastic retainer going to the rod, that yellow green right there, or pink one. I'm just gonna use a yellow green. We'll disconnect that. It's hard to see from this camera angle, but let's see if I can do it. Oh yeah, just push it out like that, and then pull this rod out loose. There you go, it's dangling now. All right, there you go. Here is our door cylinder. We're gonna be transferring this to the new one over there. All right, so this door handle now is easy to come out. We're just gonna push it back this way, and then we'll pull it out. So it goes out like this, comes out, and then to the front as well. There's two wires that we need to disconnect from the inside. That would be this two connector right here, the blue and then there's a gray one up top. All right, there you go. This two will go together with the door handle. There we go. She's out. All right, so that's how you take out this door handle. Very easy. We'll continue working on the back now. The door handle bracket. We'll take those out.